Come on, baby. What? You don't see it. You don't see it. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. 72 F100 power windows coming in effect. I'm a happy camper, baby. Yeah, boy. Okay, since everybody's attention span is short, I'm going to show you how to put 85, 86 power window regulators, I don't know the year, into a 72 F100. Save yourself about $600-700. Work right with the window. All right, so you want to get your holes lined up. I already got the measurements. This top hole right here is 8 inches from inside from this one, 12 inches from this ridge right here up to here. The second hole you want to get is here, and this hole is 8 and 7 inches from this ridge and up to here is 8 and 7/8 inches. Over from this ridge over here, back out, this ridge over here all the way to this hole is 10 and 7/8. So you get those two holes pre-drilled right there. And if you buy these regulators, Amazon for like 60, 70 bucks, this regulator, change your bearing out right here. So you change that out, put a screw in it. It's just a little like collet. You get this here, put it here, and I'm gonna show you how to put this thing in this door, and we're gonna rock and roll with it in a minute. So hang tight. Okay, real quick note. If you're using the regulator on the passenger side, the motor will be faced in the up direction, like so. You'll be using the middle hole here and the bottom hole there, just like that. There's those two. So this thing will go up in here, kind of like this. This will be all the way up, and the other way when you motorize it, it'll come all the way down. So let me mount this real quick. Oh, also before you put this in, you're gonna need one of these bushings from Amazon. Get them from Amazon, I think they're like $7, $6 for like 5 of them. You're gonna need one of these little 1/2 inch thick bushings. It's gonna go right here. And you don't have to weld it. And that's gonna end up behind, right there, behind this one. It's gonna go here. It's gonna go back. It's gonna go back here behind that. And really quick, don't forget this thing. This thing here. Shit. Needs a 1/2 inch bushing on it. It goes in between the motor, flange. It goes in between the motor flange and the wall. So it's between the wall and the motor flange. Like so. Real quick now, it's mounted. Got it mounted here, got the bushing behind here, and the bushing behind here. Keeping this a little bit of distance off. So that is off. So that's it right here. Let me give y'all a little demo. Okay, I was interrupted by a stupid phone call, but let's see. So that's it, it's all the way down. Now you have to put your piece in here. Then you can put a window in here, and then we can go from that point. Like that side over there. All the measurements are right there. And that's how you. Now, got the regulator in. I rustled the window in and the guide. And for this 72 F100. So just to show you how this works, I'll put all the links in the description, wherever the hell it is. But let's see how it goes. All right, let's ride. Let's see. There's no moldings in the door, of course, so it's running pretty ragged. So there it is. It's up. It's up, Buttercup. And let's see. It's down. So that's it. That's how you get it in. You can buy the power regulators. Now once you put your door panel on, you customize you a switch in here or wherever you want to do, switch wherever you want to put it at, or in the console or whatever you want to do. That's on you. Saving moolah, baby. Saving moolah. Ford on Fords. We out.